Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to convert video to GIF in CapCut. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just first step is you can open the CapCut app on the Android device or iOS. This solution is works for both. So you will see it will be opened and I will put the clip already. So you can see in the top of 1080p there is you can see video, and the second one is that you will see GIF. So you will have to click to GIF to convert video to GIF. So you can increase the resolution, but it will be pro on, so you have to purchase the pro account in some dollars. So I will recommend it for normal resolutions. So this is how to video convert into GIF. You can see now I will be just saved the video. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.